Hey y'all, it's Kennedy Shianne and welcome back to my channel. So let's get into this cute curly updo using Curlsqueen clip-ins. I'm using 18 inches of their natural black with medium brown highlights, Kinky Straight clip-ins. I've really been feeling color lately. I think it's just so cute and I love how it just kind of brightens up my face. So these clip-ins were perfect, and y'all know Curlsqueen never disappoints. Their bundles are so freaking thick. So first we're going to need to create a ponytail. So I'm just going to go around and part like my perimeter and just leave a little bit in the middle for the ponytail, and then I'm going to put the clip-ins around that. So this is what it should look like: a little ponytail and a lot of leave out, because you're going to be using that leave out to cover up the track. So you want to make sure you left enough out. Then I'm just going in with the clip-ins and I'm literally just placing them around the ponytail. So for this ponytail, I used all but 2 clip-ins. I left the one with the 2 clips, and that's going to be for the bang in the front of my head. So yeah, you want your ponytail to be really thick. I know that's how I like it, because yeah, I just like a full ponytail. So after you've added all the clip-ins, you just want to go in and check and make sure that you're going to be able to put it in a ponytail pretty seamlessly, like I'm doing here. So once I was done installing all the clip-ins, I just went in with my flat iron and just straightened my perimeter and everything that I left out, just to help with blending.
Treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin. Yeah. Fuck what they say, fuck what they, fuck what they, fuck what they say. 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our names, still had great days. Always kept me umbrellaed up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I'ma tell you same. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog.
Next, I just went and separated the hair that I'm going to be leaving out to use for my bangs. So after you're done parting out what you're going to use for your bang, you're just going to want to put the hair into a ponytail. And if you're extra like me, I did leave a couple strands out in the back and on the sides just to curl, just to add to that cute messy effect. So this is the part that brings it all together. You are just going to go in and wand curl both your hair and the clip-ins.
Would you go at niggas' nest like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me? Or do a crime at a time when it was loose for me? I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded.
So after I'm done curling my hair, I just go in with some holding spray from Tresemme and I just spray it. I just pack it on there, and then because I'm just a little impatient, I then go in with my fan and just to dry it and make sure, you know, that the curls are gonna stay. Then you're just going to want to separate the curls a little bit, not too much, but this just helps to add, you know, fullness to the ponytail. And then I just go ahead in and I make a bun, real simple. So after I've made my bun and I've played with it and I got it perfect like how I like it, next up we're going to get into the bangs. And y'all, please don't hate me. I don't know why I would get out of the frame to do the bangs. I guess I needed to see closer, but I promise it's super easy. So yeah, you're just going to want to do that. And pretty much you're going to just divide your bang into 4 sections. Like you're going to have one down the middle, and then, you know, and then you're going to separate the sides of the bang, and you're just going to add the clip-ins there and then repart your hair in the middle. And it should look like this. I was readjusting one of my bangs so you can kind of see like it should be, you know, in there and seamless and undetectable. Next, I'm just gonna go in and curl the little pieces of hair that I left out. I think that it just adds to the perfect messy bun, like just leaving a few pieces out. I decided to go in and cut the bangs a little bit just so that I can better shape my face. And then after I'm done cutting the bangs, I just go in and I curl it. For my bangs, I opted to use like the flat iron curls versus the wand curls. I just thought this looked cuter in my opinion. We're gonna go back in with the Tresemme setting spray just to make sure that our curls are staying, and then I lightly comb them out just so they can get that nice full soft look. Then to ensure that my bangs stayed flat, I just went ahead and added some clips while I finished up some things with my hair and just, you know, waited about like 10 minutes before I removed them. This is the final look. I think this style is just so cute. I love a curly updo. It's just classy, cute, it's simple, it doesn't take too much. And this was super easy and beginner friendly, as y'all saw. And you also don't have to add too much heat to your head, which I love. I always say this, but I just love kinky straight hair. Like, you really don't have to do too much to your natural hair to get it to blend. And that's my type of party, because I'm not trying to have heat damage trying to look cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you actually go out and try this style. Thank y'all so much for watching, and see y'all next time.